Guys, so today I thought that I should just go ahead and make a DIY sensory bottle. I've been seeing them a lot online and I think they're really cool. I usually see them made out of Voss bottles from Walmart, but when I went to my Walmart, they run out of a lot of things, so I had to get Fiji bottles, and these are the smaller ones. So I actually think I prefer these more because it's smaller, so he'll be able to hold it more and play with it more other than the Voss bottles. So stay tuned. I hope you guys can get some helpful tips from this video. We'll be uploading videos every week. Okay, so of course the first step is to go to the dollar store and purchase all of your items along with Walmart to get the Fiji bottle and this stainless steel scrubbing pad. Well, scrubbing pads. Girl, and drink you some water. After quenching my thirst, I decided to go ahead and start on my project. The first step in the project that I took was to peel off the stickers from the Fiji bottle, of course. And that's why I got the scrubbing pads, because it leaves residue on it, like sticky residue that you don't want to deal with, girl. So go ahead and buy you them scrubbing pads and peel the sticker off and get to scrubbing. So at this point, I realized that there was still some residue from the stickers on the bottles, so I had to go back and do some extra scrubbing. Took a lot of elbow grease, but your girl got it done. Okay, that's looking a little better, don't you think? I think so. So on to the next step. As you can see, I'm using a tea kettle to fill my water bottles, but you can use anything that's suitable for you. After you fill your water bottle halfway, or a little under halfway, you can start putting the Elmer's glue inside of the water bottle. Took some more elbow grease, as you can see. You want to use about a half a bottle of Elmer's glue after you fill the bottle up halfway. So now we're just going to go ahead and start adding the stuff that goes on the inside. And I would honestly suggest that you get a funnel if you don't have one for this step, because that'll make your life so much easier. Like, the beads kept sticking to the end, as you can see here, the beads kept sticking to the inside of the bottle, and that was getting annoying because I had to keep pushing the beads in and keep getting glue on my fingers and keep washing my hands to get more beads. Honestly, I just would not suggest getting these beads. They make like a good sound in the bottle when you shake it, but as far as seeing them, like the iridescent sequins that you're gonna see later on, and the glitter, they don't really come through for that part. So if you want more of a visual sensory bottle other than like a sound sensory bottle and a visual, I would not suggest using these. I'm just keeping 100, tell you the truth, girl. Here's the iridescent sequins that I was referring to that held your girl down. I would suggest you go ahead and get double packs of these instead of the beads, because the beads did not work. Okay, I'm gonna keep saying that in this video just to make sure you know that the beads did not work. And check out my lovely display of all of my complaints, with the sequins being lovely and floating at the top and the beads being useless at the bottom. Now I'm just filling up the rest of this bottle before I add some more glue. After your bottle's almost pretty much full, we're gonna add the rest of the Elmer's glue. Now we're gonna get to the glitter. And for this step, I would also suggest to use that funnel. Please use that funnel. The funnel will be your best friend. I wish someone gave me that tip before I tried to do this project, but I'm gonna give you the tip before you do the project. I got a little freaked out by that glob of glitter that you see floating around, but after shaking the bottle like crazy, it eventually like went away. I don't know where it went, but it went away. I miss shaking this bottle like crazy, girl. I noticed that the sequins weren't moving that fast, so I added more glue, and it makes them move a little bit slower through the bottle. So if you are making this project and you see that they're moving very fast, I would suggest just keep adding more glue until you get the consistency you like. Here's a few clips of the end product. I hope you guys love this project, and I hope you loved it enough to subscribe to my channel and like this video.